Alright, let's go back in time a bit here with the HEX chart. We'll go back to the 27th of May 2022, and on this day we had a massive crash. I can say crash. It was pretty it was a brown trouser moment if you were there at the time. 63% crash down to 3.69 cents essentially, and I called this out, hence the term the monkey magic level was born. Okay, and we've seen the monkey magic line a couple of times since then. If I now switch over to the combined HEX chart, you'll see that actually this monkey magic level, the 0.369, obviously essential memetic value for anything to do with HEX, was where we got rejected in combined HEX a couple of months after launch. And it's actually where we are just coming right up to now. So this combined HEX value of 3.69 cents, it's been significant in recent years, and I'm really looking forward to seeing us hopefully breaking through this, and with it then at last flipping to support.